Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the playback speed on YouTube TV. Whether you want to speed things up or slow them down, I got you covered. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. Go ahead and open your browser, and I'm gonna search here YouTube TV. So here we can go to this page, this website, YouTube TV. Now suppose you're playing a video on YouTube TV, same as YouTube. What you need to do is for computer, go to setting, go to playback speed. You can change your playback speed like normal. So I'm gonna play this at slow speed. This is now normal. This is now 2x. So that's how you can change your playback speed. Same goes to YouTube TV. So you can follow this step. Go to for computer, go to a video, hover over the player and click setting, click speed, playback speed, select the speed at which you'd like to play the video. And same for Android. Go to a video, tap the video once, then tap settings, tap playback speed, select the speed at which you'd like to play the video. Same for iPhone and iPad. Go to video, tap the video once, then tap setting, tap playback speed, select the speed at which you'd like to play, like the video to play. So that's how you can change your playback speed on your YouTube TV. And that's it. Now you can easily control the playback speed on YouTube TV and watch at your own pace. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. See you in the next one.